What's up, people? Got y'all right here in the 4 hourly. As y'all can see, things is still going according to plan. So in previous video, I told y'all gonna come up here and test this thing 3 times. As y'all can see, we came up for the second time for the test, and we did slightly go a little higher than the previous high. But as you can see, it is clearly getting rejected. So the third time is always a charm. But the fact that this went up a little higher, which means they may actually spike up and really snag up some people. So y'all be careful next week because they got no more time to play around. So this will be the third attempt to actually break it. And like I told y'all before, if it breaks this line and go above it, it has to hit this 200 EMA on the 4 hourly, literally in the same move as soon as we get above it. And like I told y'all before, that's a big move. That's 22.5. That's a killer move. So they could literally come all the way up here, the 22.2, 22.3, and then still reject it. They come right here and reject it and smash it all the way down. Because also you got to realize on this 4 hour chart, right, this is a pretty large M formation already. This is when I said they could drop the markets at any point in time because they already technically on a daily chart, they already hit the EMA. Like they can literally drop it at any point in time. They just, you know what I'm saying? They just stalling it out basically. You know what I mean? Or they can tell you like right here in the 4 hour, like I'm saying, like information. But if you do go back up and we actually, you know what I'm saying, break through or even get rejected at the same line, that would be a head and shoulder formation. Either way it goes, it is literally showing that it's about to drop. And it's going to drop right back on this line, right above 19,000. Then, like I said, after 19,000, should get a nice little candlestick, 18.5, because the big candlestick is going to start at 18.5. Like I keep telling y'all, the danger zone that I have marked right here. That's what a large candlestick, that candlestick can go to 14,000 by itself. Everything else going to go in increments, but that's going to be the one that's catch everybody out guard. It's going to knock out all the orders. Because also that's why they're going to spike up the market, you know what I mean, for people that don't know what's happening, so they can snag their orders, and they all may get triggered, and they're going to shoot it right back down. So don't get caught up in that. Got you right here on the daily. Like I showed y'all before, we hit the 50 one time, 2 times. This is the third time of us hitting the 50, and we still have not even touched the 20 or the 50 in the past few days because of this unusual move we having right now. And I'm telling y'all, it's a trap. And I already told you that way before they even did it because, like I said, y'all can read the charts. And that's why I'm here, to show y'all how to read these charts. I'm sitting here proving it to y'all. And y'all see it just, going about playing as it should. So, boom, the weekly. See, the weekly is the main thing. Let me take this off. So, the weekly, boom, we already hit the the 20 EMA 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. On all charts, the EMA's been hit 3 times. This is the last one we was waiting for the longest. So now that is confirmation that we will be flying down. Like you gotta look at it. We're at the end of the month. So about the new month starting, right? Got a new day starting, new week. Everything is about to happen at one time. So don't be surprised, like I said, for a nice little spike up, and then we're gonna be shooting down. And that's when we about to really visit these deep areas down. We about to start getting the 20, 30, 40, 50% drops in the markets in these random coins, and they about to start falling off the table also. So yeah, y'all see that. So this is the overall projections if y'all haven't seen them yet. So I'm expecting this thing to drop all the way down to 10,000, and then we come back up, get rejected at around 14,000. And as y'all can see, we got these lines right here. I'll show you in previous video. I went a lot more detail. I'll do the next video. I'll go over these again and how I actually came up with these support and resistance levels. But anyways, after we come into 14,000, then we'll get our final drop all the way down to $5,000 or $5,500 to recover these candlesticks. Because basically, you see this red candlestick. This is about to be the same thing that's happened over here, just on a larger scale. That's how Bitcoin moves. When they did this, it came recover all these candlesticks from the previous move up. Just as what we're doing now, recovering all these candlesticks from this previous move up. Take that off. So boom, show you how the monthly. Boom, it's a large M to the W formation. This is the retracement. We have to come down here, recover these candlesticks, but we have to close above 10,000. We can't have not 1 month close under $10,000 or invalidate this whole pattern, invalidate the whole market in general. So they're not going to do that. So we'll get that spike down, like I mentioned, just like this, to recover these candlesticks, and then, we'll be back on the markup phase. So I do believe once we do get that markup phase, like confirmed after we hit the 5,000, it's going to be a crazy jump. I'm talking about a jump to probably around 14,000 at the very least, from 5,500 to 14,000. So we talking about, you know what I'm saying, killer crazy moves. And I suggest y'all to wait. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.